Hello everyone, this is Davinci Resolve channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to separate object from the background if you have Davinci Resolve free version only and you can't use Magic Mask. So let's begin.
So let's open Capcut, import the video you want and drag it to timeline. Now select the clip, go to remove BG subtab and click auto removal. Wait just a few seconds and as you can see, background is removed. Then you can just export it with black background, but I would like to have transparency instead of the background. But Capcut can't export video with transparency. That's why we need to use some trick. Go to Basic subtab, scroll down the inspector until you see canvas. Then select color and select any color you want. I select green color. And now you can export this. Click export button, select any folder you want, resolution. I selected codec AV1, format MP4 and 25 frames per second. And hit export button. And then this file you can import to Davinci Resolve. I already imported to Davinci Resolve file with green background and the original video. So now you can select both of them, right mouse button click and select new Fusion clip. And go to Fusion. So here I think we can remove background and extra merge node like this and connect media into the yellow input of merge to node. So now the only thing we need is to key the green background. To do this, press Shift spacebar and select Delta key. Now just drag this icon to any point of the background. And as you can see, we have removed green screen. And now you can just add two merge nodes and connect out of Delta key to merge nodes and add transform nodes like this. And now you can move copies to the right and to the left. Like this. So that's it from my side, it's easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Have no shame, waste no time, feel the pain, live the grind.